Talking about presence can be deceptively easy. The words "in the moment" or "being fully present" can trigger a flash of recognition, convincing us that we know what presence means. But presence is not just remembering to be here now. It's a fundamental condition of existence. It is, in fact, impossible to be unpresent. If we're breathing, we're unquestionably present in time and space. So perhaps the question is not, how can I be more present? But what does my presence create? What does it inspire or hinder? The quality of presence that supports the practice of adab could be called attentive awareness. This may seem redundant, but it actually describes two distinct functions or capacities. By attentive, we mean consciously maintaining a specific focal point, and when distracted, coming back easily to that focus. Awareness signifies the global apprehension of the larger space in which this attentiveness is happening. Attentive awareness could be compared to a radio telescope that has two primary components, a dish and an antenna, but performs only one function, the detection of radio waves. The large parabolic dish receives an array of radio waves and reflects them to the antenna, which then generates workable information. We can think of our entire bodies, including the electromagnetic field in which they are contained, as the dish through which we maintain global awareness of the environment we're in. And we can say that the attentiveness of our eyes and ears function as the antenna, encoding distinct streams of information. But this analogy, while useful, is somewhat limited because attentive awareness is not just receptive. It can also be generative, radiant, a form of subtle transmission. There's a line in a Rumi poem that goes, "Because of the way you listen, now everything about me is beautiful." In other words, attentive awareness by itself can influence that which is being attended to, sometimes in significant ways. An obvious example of this is that the quality of our presence can help settle someone's nervousness more effectively than insisting they calm down. More significantly, sincere attentive awareness can often elicit a deeper presence in another, enabling others to see and hear themselves more clearly, more honestly. Practicing adab in this way enables our relationships to develop from being simply transactional to being revelatory. Instead of, "What can I do for you in exchange for what you can do for me?" what can we discover together?